there, I'm Erin Moore, a business consultant with Valiantys, and I'm sharing some exciting news about a new feature that is in Jira Cloud. And I wanted to make sure I was hot off the presses with this one because what it is it's taking some workload off of Jira admins and letting project managers or project administrators or whoever you want in a project role to edit their own workflows and edit their own issue layouts. So this is removing some of the burden from a Jira admin, but there's some provisos with this. So let's take a look and dig into what I'm talking about. So here I am as a Jira admin in this project that I've created called Workflow Demo. And when I go here into issues and I look at workflows, this new thing kind of pops up, well, rather permissions. Let me move this over here. Permissions. I can add new permissions that I can give to whomever I choose in a project role, a group role. Really, it's the sky's the limit kind of thing here. So I can go about and add permissions. Here, let me go and take a look at what I'm talking about. So for this to happen, and I'm using my workflow demo, to make this permission happen, I can only do this with workflows that have not been shared. Let's dig into the workflows first. I can only do this with a workflow that is not shared between projects. So we're maintaining the ability of a company managed project to move issues and still share things across them. So it's not as isolated as the team project, but we're allowing the flexibility of a team managed project to certain trusted users, and you can define those roles. So you'd come in here into your permission scheme, and I just want to show you what this looks like. This is edit workflows is where we're going to go with first. And I'm going to hop screens just to show you. This is my user form. I don't have any project admin connection here yet, but I'm going to update this and allow, after I move this, a project, and I'm going to allow anybody to do this. An administrator, for instance, would be a great one. Or I can choose a single user and I can say, this person, I can trust them. And that's just the secondary account. And they now would have the right to edit a workflow. So let's take a look at what that would look like. I still don't have that because I haven't clicked that button yet. But now I'm going to go ahead and give a person, a single user, the ability to update a workflow. Okay, and I do a little refresh here. So this is this user account. And now I see project settings has appeared. I'm not actually a project administrator, but I can come in here and now I have this edit workflow option. Now I can only pick from statuses that they have already created for me. So I can't go and just grab any status I want. But look, I can pick from statuses that are there and ready for me. I pick this status. This is one I've created. Now the downside is I can't remove that status. It's there. Now that it's, oh wait, no, I can. Look at that. I deleted that status. So there it is, see? And I can add statuses. So yeah, I can add statuses to my own workflow, and I can even choose the transitions. So now I can take this off of the Jira admin's back in specifying or updating or being very specific with my workflow. I can let the work get done. You're closer to where the work gets done. Let's go into the next permission that is now available, and that is manage issue layouts. So manage issue layouts, and right now this individual, this idea does not have this right, but I'm about to give them to it. So they would go into a project settings, and I just want you to see that it's not there for them. They don't have the ability to move workflows around. But let's go ahead and add that permission to them, a single user. And now they have it. And now let's update this user ID. And now they can pick from fields that are again created. So they can edit an issue. They can edit their issue layout, and they can add fields or take away fields that they want to be on that issue. One of the more interesting things is when they add these fields or take away these fields, they automatically get associated with the screens for that issue type. How cool is that? It takes away a lot of the headaches from Jira admins, and it makes the work get closer to where the work is getting done. I'm Erin Moore from Valiantys, and thank you.